back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I just want to share with you something that I just got in. I talked about fusion of cultures. She is well, her name is Laila, and she has a YouTube channel called Fusion of Cultures. And I talked about her in my last DIY video, the second installment. And I was saying how she does a lot of DIYs, but then she also has launched her own line, and she has an array of things. She started, I believe, with the shea butters that she uses on her hair and on her body. And then I think she also has some skincare items as well. And then I think she has some apparel items. So I finally ordered one of her shea butters because I just wanted to try it. She swears by it. She said it's really light. I watch her use it in her hair. It melts right in. So I was like, well, maybe I can use it as a sealant. I know that I like the Laila Naturals shea yogurt as a sealant, as well as a moisturizer to re-moisturize, twist, and things like that. So I thought maybe I could use Laila's shea butter the same way. So basically, it's her company is called Wild Seed Botanicals, and she's based out of London. And so the box came in just this little bag here. Now the box was a little bit beat up, but I don't think it's because of her. I think it was because of, you know, being on the trucks and everything. But when you open the box, it looks like this. So she has it really nicely packaged. So she has a card from her company, and basically it's just a thank you card. So on the back it says, thanks for helping us grow, and then I get 10% off my next order, and so forth. And so yeah, so that comes with that card. Then she also has another little card in here, if you can see it, and where she is showing some other things in her line, and then she's telling you a little bit about the company, how it was founded, and its philosophies and everything is on the back. So I'll read that. And then she has it sealed like this. So that's really cute. And then I open it up, and then she has it packaged, even protecting it more with some little shredded paper, which is nice. So she took care in really packaging this since it was coming from London. So there's her container. So I'm going to pull it out, and it's 7 ounces or 200 milliliters, but it's 7 ounces. And I got the Botanical Whipped Shea Butter. Now she does have another one. This is a multi-purpose moisturizer, raw Ghanaian shea butter. It has aloe vera extract, sweet almond, coconut, and blood orange oils in it. It's a nice little tin top. Now that's weird. I wonder if that got missed. I'm gonna call her and ask her about it. It is very much it looks like it's suds or foam, but then when you touch it, it does turn into a butter. So I'm gonna read up on it and see if it's supposed to be foamy like that. It smells really good, and like I said, it does just melt into your hands quite nicely. So maybe it's supposed to be that way. I just made sure to email just to make sure. It's probably supposed to be that way, or it could have, because it's essential oils and just a lot of good ingredients. It could have just in the heat or whatever kind of melted and then tried to solidify back up and didn't quite, you know, get hard. So this is not a hard, this is a whipped shea butter. It's not a hard shea butter. So that could be why it's like that as well. But I think I'll shoot her email just to make sure, but I'm still gonna try it. So again, I'll show it to you. That's the name of it. And once I try it, I guess I will bring it to you guys so you'll know how I like it and everything. And again, if you have not checked out Laila's channel, is Fusion of Culture, so go over and check out her channel. And then if you're interested in what she has to offer as far as her merchandise, then in her description box she'll have all of her links for her Wild Seed Botanical line, for her clothing line, and then I believe that she has a facial line too. But anyway, yeah, just go over and take a look at it, check her out. And yeah, that is it. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that today. I don't know if you've ever heard of her, if you've used any of her products. If you have, let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. She has some cute little t-shirts, and I think she has a coffee mug and some things like that too that I thought was really cute. I haven't got any of those things. This is the first purchase, so if I like it, I may purchase again. It came fairly quickly. Coming from London, it wasn't abnormally long period of time. It probably was a little bit longer than what you would normally wait. So it looks like I placed this order on June 13th, and I got it. Today is 4th of July. So and I've had it maybe a few days. So it took probably maybe a couple weeks or something like that, but not too long. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here real quick and let you know that I did contact Laila with Wild Seed Botanicals, and she got back with me in less than a day. It was within hours that they responded to my email, and I did want to let you know that they did say that it was because of the weather that the product had melted and probably tried to solidify back together. So it did not solidify back in its whipped state. She said it does not hinder the performance of the product, but to give good customer service, she has opted to send me out another jar, hoping that it will get to me intact. And I thought that was really nice. She did say that you can use a handheld blender and re-whip the product, and that should get it back to its rightful consistency as well as fill up the jar. I do not have a handheld blender, so I am not able to do that. I might try to buy one, but I'm not sure. But I did receive the second package, and it also melted. We are in 80 and 90 degree weather right now, so that is to be expected. So right now, my product does not look whipped like a whipped cream or anything like that, or like a twisting cream. It looks more like a butter or a shea butter, and I'm okay with that. So I am going to go ahead and use it as is, since it is supposed to still perform the same. And I will be bringing you a video on that very soon with me using these products. But I did want to just come in here and let you know that the customer service was great. I had no problem with them at all. They responded right away. They shipped out a new product right away with no questions asked. So if you have never tried this product, I'd say take a look at my video. Let's see how we like it. And if I get good results, I say, hey, give it a try. She is a Black-owned company, and she also has her own YouTube channel called Fusions of Cultures, and I've talked about her before. So yeah, just wanted to jump in and let you guys know that before I went on with the video. So yeah, but that is it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and this unboxing. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.